Hi Sohan.
Hi mommy.
How are you?
Going good.
How many Hindu Puranas are there?
18.
Tell me the names, Nana.
Brahma Puranam, Vishnu Puranam, Shiva Puranam, Mastya Puranam, Kuruma Puranam, Varaha Puranam, Vamana Puranam, Padma Puranam, Bhavata Puranam, Narayana Puranam, Bhavishya Puranam, Markandeya Puranam, Agni Puranam, Brahma Vaivastha Puranam, Bhavishya Puranam, Linga Puranam, Skanda Puranam, Garuda Puranam, Brahmananda Puranam.
Very good, Nana. Tell me the Vinayaka Slokam.
Sukam Bharatadam, Vishnu Sisimanam, Titu Pujam, Vasandai, Sharavabi Gopal Santi, Agajanana Padmakam, Gajanana Mahanisham, Anekadantam Bhattanam, Yekadantu Upasmahe.
Who invented zero?
Aryabhatta.
What is our national river?
Ganga.
Tell me the directions.
East, West, North, South.
Now tell the capitals. What is the capital of Andhra Pradesh?
Amaravati.
What is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh?
Itaragar.
What is the capital of Assam?
Dispur.
What is the capital of Bihar?
Panna.
What is the capital of Chhattisgarh?
Raipur.
What is the capital of Goa?
Panaji.
What is the capital of Gujarat?
Kaniragar.
What is the capital of Haryana?
Chinigur.
What is the capital of Himachal Pradesh?
Shimbal.
What is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir?
Srinagar.
What is the capital of Jharkhand?
Ranchi.
What is the capital of Karnataka?
Bangalore.
What is the capital of Kerala?
Tirunanthapuram.
What is the capital of Madhya Pradesh?
Bhopal.
What is the capital of Maharashtra?
Mumbai.
What is the capital of Manipur?
Impal.
What is the capital of Meghalaya?
Shillong.
What is the capital of Mizoram?
Aizawl.
What is the capital of Nagaland?
Kokima.
What is the capital of Odisha?
Bhubaneswara.
What is the capital of Punjab?
Chandigarh.
What is the capital of Rajasthan?
Jaipur.
What is the capital of Sikkim?
Gangtok.
What is the capital of Tamil Nadu?
Chennai.
What is the capital of Telangana?
Hyderabad.
What is the capital of Tripura?
Agartala.
What is the capital of Uttar Pradesh?
Lucknow.
What is the capital of Uttarakhand?
Dehradun.
What is the capital of West Bengal?
Kolkata.
Very good. Tell me the Dasavataras names.
Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parasuram, Ram, Arjun, Krishna, Kaliki.
Tell me the Panchapandavas names.
Dharmaraju, Bhimudu, Arjunuru, Saharan, Nakuludu.
Tell me the brothers of Rama.
Ramudu, Bharatudu, Lakshmanudu, Sitatudu.
Tell me the Trimurtis names.
Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva.
How many oceans in the world?
5.
Tell me the names.
India Puranam.
Oceans. Indian Ocean. Oceans. Oceans. Indian Ocean.
India Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean.
How many continents in the world?
7.
Tell me the names.
Asia, Africa, Europe, Antarctica, North America, South America, Australia.
Very good, Nana. Say bye.
Bye.